ULTA, stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering all this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in the trading mentors and education, I figured out what's making me money and what's not. And guess what? Everything is documented on this YouTube channel. Everything. With Ulta Beauty, I see the price, a ticker that's just melting down. Not in a way that I'm just going to come in and just join in for the hate. No. You can see previously here that I even milked and just bought and made money on some buys. But after that died down, I mean, we can clearly see that the price then started melting down. And honestly, I'm not trying to be that guy or this trashy guy or this pessimistic guy, but the likelihood that this thing just keeps going down is still quite high. Like, for me to not be bearish, the price must start breaking above 363 bucks or something. Or, you know, another thing is that there's like a big catalyst. As of right now, nothing is on the radar. I mean, on the radar, it's just that these lows are probably going to get hit right here. So I'm just kind of getting ready maybe for a potential short sale, who knows. But if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There is a lot of sauce.